Yo, what's going on? Welcome to Grill and Smoke BBQ. I'm Jeffrey, and this show is dedicated to you, my subscribers. If you're not a subscriber yet, please feel free to go ahead and do that, and you can go ahead and participate in this giveaway that I'm about to do. This is my way of saying thank you to the 2,000 plus subscribers that I now have. I really appreciate it, and I value the fact that y'all take the time to subscribe to me and watch my shows. So therefore, I want to do something for you now. So what I'm going to do, I asked what would y'all like for me to do, and the majority wanted me to give away some of my favorite rubs. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to keep this video short and sweet, not even going to edit anything in this video. That's how short and sweet this is about to be. I will add something though, but we'll get to that. So what am I giving you? So for you real subscribers who watch me all the time, y'all know there's one rub that I just almost every time you know it's going to be on my show, and that's Heath Riles. So with that being said, my absolute favorite, Heath Riles garlic jalapeno, my #1 Heath Riles rub. And with that, Heath Riles beef rub. And with that, Heath Riles honey rub. And with that, Heath Riles garlic butter. Now this one is something that you can use on basically anything. You can put it on seafood, and you can put it on steaks. I mean, hence the name garlic butter. It's just like putting garlic butter on whatever you put this on. It's absolutely amazing. And I figured I also throw in a rub that y'all probably only see me use maybe once or twice, but I really do use it a lot. And it's the Kinder's, the blend, which is their salt, pepper, and garlic, an SPG pretty much. And it's a coarse rub. So it's really good like for steaks and things of that nature, or anything you just want to put SPG on. It's a very good rub for that. So that's from me. And if you've watched my videos not too long ago, you saw that I did a review on Super Clean. So they also are collaborating with me on this. And to the winner will also get a can of the Super Clean foam, and we'll also get a bottle of the Super Clean spray. Now the only thing with this is Super Clean will only allow it to be for people who live in the lower 48 states. So if you happen to win, but you're not in the lower 48, you will still get the rub. I will still make sure you get that, but someone else will have to get the Super Clean products. But if you win and you are in the lower 48, then you get everything. So what do you have to do to win? Hey, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel. You have to verify that you're subscribed. That could be like taking a, what's it called? Having a moment. You know, just a snapshot showing like the subscribe with like a thumbs, the bell showing that you like follow the channel. You know, just proof that you're there. I mean, some of y'all, you don't have to worry about it because y'all constantly talk to me and stuff, so I know you're subscribed. But you know, sometimes there's those randoms who watch, they don't really say anything, and you can't see if they're subscribed to you or not because of the way they have the settings. So just need some proof. And it won't hurt to put a thumbs up for this video, but it's not required. And so you have to be subscribed. And in the comments, all you have to do is put hashtag 2K giveaway. No spaces. Hashtag 2K giveaway. Just like it's written right here. And that's it. I'll also post this on Instagram so that people over there can see it. I planned on doing this drawing. Today is Sunday. I plan to post this video if I can today. If not, it will be posted on Monday, which is Labor Day. And I plan to do the drawing on Wednesday. So it's gonna be a quick turnaround because I like to get this stuff sent out before by the end of this week. So if you're in it to win it, good luck to you. Thank you for supporting me. And hey, as the channel grows, I'm gonna try to do bigger and better giveaways. So let's just rock it out. I'm out.